So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit the text size on Visme. So once you have Visme opened up, first thing you have to do is obviously add some text to your design. So to add some text, go to the top left right here where it says text, press on that option right here, and it adds some text of what you want to do here is type in whatever you want. So if I'm just going to type in the word, how about text size? Now, a couple different ways you can actually change the size of the text. The first way is probably the simplest way. Just press on the text box. Grab one of the corners right here, and just by dragging it to one side, you make the text larger. And if you want to make it smaller, just bring it back to the same way. So that's one way of doing it. Another way you can do it as well, if you're looking for like a specific size of text per se, as opposed to just kind of ballparking it, just double tap on the text right here. Open up this top bar right here. And where it says right here for me 165, that's the text size. Simply just press on this. You can go down and select whatever text you want. So if I wanted 110, I can do that. Or if you want to make it, a different size, you can just type in 200, press enter, and there you go. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can edit the text size on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.